You must resign from your job if you spot these 5 signs.
We all get content at times, especially with a job that pays decently. Things seems easier when we have a good group of co-workers and work pressures are manageable. Maybe this is not the dream job, but we often convince ourselves thinking about its benefits. Experts say that this is a sure sign of getting into a comfort zone, and hence one must think of looking for a new job as early as possible.
You are living the status quo.
If you have been in the same company and the same position without any advancement or promotions for the past 3 years, while you earn to move ahead of your career, then it is time to look for opportunities elsewhere. Even in large organizations where promotions are tough to come by, you should be able to make some sort of upward movement within the time frame. And if that is not happening, despite all your efforts and hard work, then it is time to look for growth outside the company.
You feel defeated.
In other words, you feel you are only working this job because you are convinced yourself there is no other option. Well, that is simple but not true. In a world that is getting increasingly bigger by the minute, there is always an opportunity for you. The only reason you believe there isn't opportunity is because you are still holding on to ideas that aren't serving your growth.
You have become the worst version of yourself.
Over time, a buildup of work-related stress can lead to behavior which is not your own behavior and which you also don't align to generally. You may find yourself acting in ways that are completely out of your character, shocking and embarrassing. It's time to walk away from this job and look for fresh beginnings.
The company or your department is on shaky financial footing.
If you see that your company is crumbling in business or is headed towards business loss, it's time to begin your job hunt. The company may not ask you to leave, but may forge mergers and acquisitions, and that again means that your job hangs by a thread. For example, if you work in corporate finance and your firm is acquired by a big conglomerate that already has a huge corporate finance department, the odds again you need to start looking out.
You are overqualified.
When the work has become so routine that you can do it just intuitively, then it is sure time to explore other opportunities. If you are stuck in a dead end, then no path to advancement forward. It's time to head for the exit. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.